I am recently retired from the United States military. After retirement, I just knew that I wanted to do something that was a passion of mine. And that's when I decided I wanted to try Pastry Arts. I absolutely love baking. I just think baking really makes people happy.
What I like about Pastry Arts is the creation of something. You're taking several individual items and putting them together to create something completely different. I love the science of it, and I love what you do with that baked good, whether it's a muffin or a cake that puts a smile on somebody's face.
The best thing about this program is the fact that you are already thrust into a working environment. We come to school every day, we open the bakery, and you have to go through the rigors of the exact same thing you do at a job.
The Sucre Bistro is our realistic training enterprise where the students get to sell their products to the campus community. The bistro is that outlet for the students to use their creativity to see what people respond to.
If you made something the first time and have a customer come back the next day looking for that same product, that's a sense of accomplishment. A happy customer is a happy student.
What they get out of the program is going to be different from what any other student gets out of the program. They get to practice their own style of baking and managing.
Being in the military, everything is very structured and very rigorous. However, here in the kitchen, we have the flexibility to be creative in that space. If you have the will and the drive, you can learn. Because there's definitely mentors, there's definitely people there that are willing to put the work in if you are.
This is their first networking opportunity. Regardless of where you come from or how you grew up, we all connect around food.
I do believe that there is love in the food that you create. The talking, the laughter, the joy that comes along with it. You can tell that a person truly cared about it. And when you look at the final product, the way it's designed and the way it's created, you can see the love in it.